everyone, welcome back from the last episode. Alright, that was weird. Alright, hello, and welcome back. And, Ammo Guy now officially hits like a truck. 313,000 damage. Bam. No. Look, just watch the health. Like, okay, you see this health right now? Watch this. Gone. Boom, boom! Get out of the way. It's explodinate, dude. Also, if you look at the Titan crab down there, right down here, you can see that it really wasn't that long from the last video. Oh boy, this crab's dead. I don't even gotta do anything, dude. Not even a challenge. Next, how about this? Next boss, if you can beat it without clicking, I'll upload 2 videos today. Extra. And I probably could. Knowing our team is so well put together. You probably could. Let's click here for now. One little red guy. Okay, it's a couple. Here we go. I wonder when this boss is. Alright, we're at 236 right now. So soon. Very soon. But channel update. Some days I will be having special people. They just do it for me. Without even tapping, but yeah, some days I'll be inviting people to be on my channel, play a game, teach them how. It'll be fun. Yeah. So yeah, you guys can look forward to that, and yeah, so that'll be a thing. Well, that was cool. Can you like dodge? If you can, that's awesome. Yeah, this Emerald guy, he needs to have more criticals. So all critical, all damage, all dodge. No, he's all damage, he's all damage, he's all critical. Alright, yeah, that's good. Wow, there's so many cool stuff to get in this game. Let's just spam this button. Oh man, we're at 81. We're really close. We're almost there. 2 more achievements. Okay, here we go, boss. Don't even click. Can we win? I don't actually know. So let's just get more stuff. Okay, fine. We gotta click a little. But only a little bit of clicking. Just a little bit. There we go. That should be enough to win. Wait, no, we gotta get to 1 million. We gotta get to 1 million. Okay, we gotta win this one, guys. We can't let it lose. But, yeah, I mean, I'll still go to multiple videos today. I don't really care. I'm still doing it because I still love it. Today, I might be having someone join me on the channel. Not sure. Butterfly! One pearl. Oh, it's so cute. 82. Oh. When I get that, it's gonna be perfect. 2. Well, I don't need a freaking hoard of pearls. Are you crazy? No. I'm gonna spend $100 on it. And then you're gonna spend $1 probably. Only game I'd ever spend $1 on is Pixel Gun. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna get them chips. So fat. Can the camera pick that up? Oh guys, when we hit 300 meters, I don't even know. Oh yeah, let's test it out on the next guy. Let's just press it down once. You know, on the boss, let's just press on a Titan crab and just see how much damage it can cause. Ooh. Boom! Alright, so we know he does at least 800,000. Alright, I'm guessing up insta-kill. I'm guessing that's an insta-kill. Cookie clicker, just looking away, doing stuff. Click. Yee. Oh man. So this is how my channel starts, really. God. Alright, guys, we have enough. Let's do this. Boom! 85 mil. Look at all that sweet, sweet money. That is the monies. Let's just go to town, dude. No, let's just boom, dude. 244. And let's buy big already, because you guys know I've been wanting him a lot. It was like the main thing I've been wanting. Critical 105, damage to boss. And there's a crit damage. Boom. Damage is on the hexapod. So boom, go for him. Oh wow, my face can's been right there that entire time. Good job, me. Boom, boom. Yeah. Ability. Yeah, let's do this. Next boss, let's do this. Let's spawn him in. Boss. No. Oh, this could be next episode. I mean, so yeah. Next episode today, you should be expecting a nice little game with a friend. Oh, spawn him in. Oh my god, they can't even get to him. It's like, why even? Why? Oh wow, this thing goes for a while. Now, wait, no. Oh wow, 20 minutes for that cooldown? I bet the lesson's gonna be like an hour. 300 meters. Well, guys, after this boss, I will end the episode here. Thank you all for watching so much. And of course, I will see all you dudes in the next one. Bye-bye.